Patrick, you're asking this question here. What are your thoughts on sub 2? We'll turn that to Devin. Devin, what are your thoughts on sub 2 right now?
You're watching a segment from a Freedom Mentor live stream. Join us for our next live event. Go to freedommentor.com/live.
I think there's a lot of sub 2 opportunities in the sense that people bought high. They have a life situation, which we often talk about, and you can get into that deal and then offer, seller financing on the other end or a rent to own. The one thing that people won't tell you about sub 2 deals is that it has to be a perfect storm, right? It usually does. And a lot of people preach sub 2, and sub 2 is great, but it has to be a perfect storm where one, the seller allows you to do it, and two, the seller's stuck where they can't get out from underneath it. And that's what a lot of people don't share.
Be sure to get your free copy of my best-selling book, How to Be a Real Estate Investor, and that comes with the audiobook version as well. Click the top corner.
Yeah. By the way, for those that don't know what sub 2 means, it's short for the phrase subject to. It's where you buy a property and the loan that was on the property from the borrower doesn't get paid off. It stays recorded against the property, and you just make payments to that lender, subject to the existing financing. And we're doing a deal right now with one of our apprentices. He's just north of Houston in Conroe. And that's a perfect market for subject to, because there's a lot of homes that have been built and are still being built. And this person had bought the property a year ago, and they put $8,000 down. They owe $167, if my memory serves me correctly. And the property's not going to sell for more than about $165. So he's upside down, but he's not upside down deep enough to do a short sale. That's a perfect subject to. That's where Devin is talking about, when it's a perfect storm and everything meshes together. So subject to, I love them. We've been doing subject to deals long before they ever used a phrase sub 2. We have championed certain techniques that still to this day we have proprietary ownership of. We love subject to, but as Devin said, it has got to be the perfect storm. By the way, this one here, are banks, just because we're on that topic, are banks okay with sub 2 since the former owner handed over the payments to someone else? Again, it's not whether they're okay or not. It's you just do it. And what you do is you try to navigate around that. And again, we don't have time to go into the details of how we personally navigate it. But yes, they're done every single day, y'all. Subject to deals are extremely common. So thanks, Patrick, for that follow-up question.
Would you like to be coached by me and my team? Every successful real estate investor has a mentor. Discover how you can be mentored by us through our apprentice program by clicking above.